Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair clipper from Kemei with the model number KM 2796. Okay, I have to tell you guys straight, I don't like this hair clipper. It got till 9,000 RPM, but still, I don't like this hair clipper simply because for me, it feels on my hand like Hartaker ARFC 686 and also like Hartaker 696. That's how it feels on my hand. That's why I don't like this hair clipper. Okay, so stay tuned. So this is it, the clipper that I don't like. And yo, the box looks like this. See that? Got till 9,000 RPM. And yo, got a detachable blade. Comes with two blades. One is fade blade and the other one is a taper blade. So yo, and got a really big battery. Normally it should be good, but the way it feels on my hand, this place right here, I don't like. I never like it on the Hartaker. You know, I don't know why. I don't just like it. Okay, the battery got a 4,600 milliamp hour battery. That's huge. That's big. You know. So, and when I bought this one, I bought the blue one because when I bought it, it was one color, and later I saw another color came out, the black one. I would have take the black one, and comes with a lot of guide combs. Okay, the back, I really like the black color. Yep. Okay, no problem. Okay, got a display, DLC cutter head. That's what they wrote. Okay, USB-C charging, and now 3 hours charging time and 260 minutes operating time. That's huge. That's big. That's good. So now, what else? Okay, nothing else. Let's open it, man. Okay, as you can see, comes with a extra blade, and I was changing it. This one was on top. So this is the fade blade, just the one that comes with Jeep hair clipper. Okay, little brush, charging cable, USB-C, and this is the clipper. This is the place I don't like. I don't like this place. I don't know why. And for me, it doesn't feel good on the hand. Although it got these grooves right here, but still, I don't know. Doesn't feel good. Okay. Now inside, you got a manual, and you got all the guide combs. Okay. Let's see. And I guess this is the same guide combs that comes with the Jeep hair clipper. It is the same. And I really like this guide combs. Yeah, it's the one that I like. I really enjoy cutting with this, you know. So it's not bad. So now we go back. So it's all plastic. I didn't mean it in a bad way. It's plastic. I don't know, it's not that heavy, it's not that light. Okay, now let's test it out. Okay, 305, 304. And now let's take this out and try this one on and see. Okay, as you can see. So this place right here goes here. It is. Okay, this one is lighter. Okay, this one is a little bit thicker, I guess. So both of them comes with a ceramic cutter blade, as you can see, and it's easy to be zero gap. You can zero gap it very easily, so that's not a problem. I really like this. It is good when it's metal. Okay, and got 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. Okay, it's the wrench, and it comes like this, which I don't really like. I don't know why, but it's okay. I don't like this clipper. USB-C and a hanging hook. Okay. On the internet, it's written it's a brushless motor. This is not a brushless motor because I made it tear down on my own already, and I saw inside it's not a brushless motor. So now let's make a sound check. Okay, and for those of you that think this one is a brushless motor, I opened it, I made it tear down when I newly received it, just to look, and the motor is not a brushless motor. And I also spoke with Campo Rican, the godfather of mods, and he told me a brushless motor doesn't have a regulator, I mean, to increase the speed or something like that. He said a brushless motor just have one speed. Okay, so, and now let's make an RPM test just for us to see. Yes. Okay. So first of all, 6,500, 6,700, 7,300, 7,900, 8,300. So let's try the other blade. It might be different. I don't know, but I don't think so. Okay, this one is even less. Got less RPM than this one. So now let's make a decibel test. It is quiet. I have to say, it's quiet. But still, let's make it. And this sound is really pleasant to the ear. So now let's put this one to the highest and then compare with this one. Okay. And as you can see, both of them, they are the same. Same blade. Same blade. Brand new hair clipper from Kemei, and peace, man.